Hi, my name is Alexandra Levit, and I'm a business and workplace author, speaker, consultant, and futurist. The human skills that I think are essential for us to develop and nurture in the mid-21st century are intuition, judgment, creativity, and interpersonal sensitivity. And I'd like to elaborate more on one specifically, and that's interpersonal sensitivity. The truth of the matter is that humans want to work with other humans. So in any job situation where it requires rapport building, relationship development, you're going to want to have interaction with another person. And a great example of this is the nursing profession. Japan had a nursing shortage, and what they tried to do to combat this shortage was develop this robot. It was a 6-foot tall bear called Robear. And originally, the robot was supposed to take over all human nursing functions. But at the end of the day, all Robear could really do was lift people in and out of bed and serve them food. Japan learned the hard way that interpersonal sensitivity in nursing was extremely important. Nurses have to do things like walk into a complex situation and figure out, based on their decades of experience, what combination of specialists they should bring in. They want to sit down with a patient and be able to look into their eyes and determine the level of pain that person is in. They want to be able to sit down with a relative who might have gotten a complex diagnosis and show them empathy. So unfortunately, or fortunately for us, nursing is one of those professions that requires a lot of interpersonal sensitivity, and for the foreseeable future, we're still going to need human nurses. So in short, there are several skills that you need to develop, but interpersonal sensitivity and empathy is probably one of the most important.